Hello everyone, my name is Almar Farad Emerantes and I'm going to report Module 19, which is Types of Motivation. We are all know that motivation is one of the most important nowadays for making our dreams come true. It keeps us working hard and makes us feel good when we achieve something. Maunang pag naka-achieve ka or nakahit ka sa atong goals is gaan kayo itong paminaw because of the motivation. O sa atong kaugalingon, kailangan nato og motivation. Labaw na nga mahimo tang future teacher, so kailangan nato nga kabalo ta unsay motivation nga atong ihatag sa ato ang mga estudyante. Dili lang pud sa atong mga estudyante ug ma-apply pud nato sa ato ang mga barkada or sa ato ang family. So dapat kabalo ta kung unsang motivation ang atong i-share sa ila. And now, i-discuss nato ang types of motivation. Now, our first motivation is extrinsic motivation. Is when you do something to earn reward or avoid something rather than for personal enjoyment or interest. For example, studying hard to get high grades. So, not because you love the subject, but because gusto ka maka-receive or makadawat or makadungog sa word nga congratulations sa imong parents or gusto ka makakuha og scholarship. So next is incentives motivation is the drive to act based on the expectation of a reward or benefits. For example, working overtime to receive a bonus or promotion. So incentives, from the word incentive, so one of the motivation na sa to ang kinabuhi, di ba? Labaw na og nag-work ka. Another motivation is attitude motivation. It's the drive to act based on a desire to change or maintain a positive attitude or mindset. For example, volunteering at a shelter to feel more connected to your community and spread kindness. Next motivation is achievement motivation. It is the drive to accomplish goals, excel, and succeed, often for a personal satisfaction or a sense of mastery. So, for example, studying hard to win a scholarship or practicing a sport to break a personal record. So, just like that, parehas kita, pag naka-achieve ta sa ato ang goals, so lahi ang motivation nga ma-feel nato. Diba? So mas more pa nga gusto nato mo-achieve og lain goals nga dili nato mamalayan daghan na day kay tag mga goals nga makuha. So part ni sa ato ang life, so kailangan nato nga ma-motivate yun. So kung i-apply nato sa atong mga estudyante, so kailangan nato nga makakita sa ila ang vision nga maka-achieve sa goals kay lahi ra jud ang motivation nga impact nga mahatag nato sa ilaha. Another example of motivation is competence motivation. Is a drive to achieve or to improve skills, master tasks, and feel capable and effective. So, for example, about this is practicing an instrument regularly to become a better musician and feel confident in your abilities. Ug naa po tay ginatawag na creative motivation is the drive to express yourself, innovate, or bring new ideas to life. For example, painting a mural to share your vision with the community or writing a story to explore your imagination. So naapoy mga tao nga ma-motivate sila tungod sa ilang pagka-creative. So another example is negative motivation. So naapoy mga ingani nga tao nga ma-motivate sila sa negative. So is the drive to avoid unmeasurable outcomes or punishment rather than seeking positive rewards. So for example, studying hard to avoid failing a class rather than to earn an A. So naapoy mga ingani ang mga tao, no? So another example is affiliate motivation. So it's the drive to engage in activities to build relationship, gain approval, or belong to a group. So for example, joining a club or team to make a friends and be accepted by others. Another one motivation is positive motivation. Is the drive to achieve goals to take action based on the desire for reward, success, or positive outcomes. For example, exercising regularly to improve your health and feel more energetic. Another example of motivation is intrinsic motivation. Is defined as the motivation to engage in a behavior because of the inherent satisfaction of the activity rather than the desire for a reward or specific outcomes. For example, na kay curiosity. So, engaging in activity simply to learn more about a subject. So, from the word intrinsic, internal na motivation sa ato nga gusto gyud nato or kusa gyud nato maka-learn sa subject nga gusto nato.
Now, here's a table to distinguish what is extrinsic motivation and intrinsic motivation. For example, you might play soccer. Tapos sa intrinsic motivation is it's fun and enjoy it. Then sa extrinsic motivation is to win a trophy. Now, another example is paint a picture. Sa intrinsic motivation is because painting makes you feel calm. Tapos sa extrinsic motivation is to make money by selling it. Then another example is clean your house because you like it when the house is clean or to avoid your spouse annoyance. So mauna ang kalahian sa intrinsic motivation o extrinsic motivation.
So now, nakabalo na ta kung sa yung mga motivation na kailangan nato. Kana ma-apply nato sa ato ang mga student. And that's all for my report. Thank you for watching.